Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the triple single bracelet but as a rainbow. Because I know you can see how to make these, but today I'll show you how to make this in particular. To make the rainbow bracelet, you will need, as you can see, every color in the rainbow and a C or an S clip. I'm going to use the C clip today, but it really won't matter. To start putting the bands, well, first of all, make sure that the arrow is pointing away from you. Then you're going to take a red band, place it to the left. Then you'll take another red band, and this time place it to the center. And finally, you will take another red band and place it to the left. Next, you'll take a red band again, place it to the top, and you'll do that for all three. Just keep on putting red to the top. And next, you'll once again use red. And you'll put 3 again. The next color we're going to use will be orange. We're going to put 1 orange here, in the middle, and to the side. In case you haven't noticed, the pattern basically for the rainbow is to do 2 of each color, not counting the starting red. So we keep on moving up. Next we'll be doing yellow, and you'll continue to do this pattern until you reach the end of the loom. So we will fast forward from here until we get to the end. And to finish, you will take this purple, put it there, and then take another purple and put it here. And then you'll have to place a cap band at the end. And to make a cap band, you will use purple. You take your band, stretch it out, make a figure 8, and then loop it back on itself and put it on there. Now that we have looped all the way up our loom, we have to put some more bands on, and these are going to be triangles. And to make a triangle, we're going to take a red band, stretch it from this end to this end, and put it to the middle. And then we're going to do 1 more red triangle right here for a red. Oops. No harm done. Now we're going to take an orange one and put the orange right here. And then place another orange right here. And you'll still follow the pattern. You'll make sure that you're putting a yellow in a yellow section. And even though there's green tips right here, you still put the yellow band. And then you do your green, and your blue. If your loom looks like this, just like that, here I'll zoom out so you can see it a little better. If your loom looks like that, you are correct and you can start hooking the bands. When you start hooking the bands, you always turn around, so that way the red arrow is now facing toward you. And what we'll do, here I'll zoom in to make it easier to see, is we're going to take this. You have to pull back the cap band and grab the top one, which will be this peg. So we grab it, we push back the cap band, hold it with your thumb if you need to, and hook it like that. And you can see that it makes a teardrop shape. Next we're going to do the same thing, and we're going to take the next top one, which will be the middle pin, and we're going to take it, place it on that pin. And finally we're going to take this pin right here, pull it around and pull it to this pin. Once you get those three, like I said, we're just going to go straight up the loom. So, we're going to take this one, take it, pull it over, just grab the bottom one, keep on pulling it over. And you don't have to do anything with the triangles. So when you're hooking, make sure you don't grab any part or corner of the triangle, because that will wreck your bracelet. So make sure that when you're looping, you do not mess with the triangle. And if that happens, just like I did, pick it up. You should be good to go. Once again, just grab it, put it there. And for all of these, when you get to the head pin, just take it and hook it right on top. Just like that. So we'll cut from here, and then when we'll come back, so you can pause it here and get all this done. When you are done, it should look like this. 2 drops up all the way, and we didn't touch our triangles at all. So to finish it, what you need to do is you need to take your hook, put it in the center, and stick it out to the side. Then what you do is you take a red rubber band, you pull it really tight, pull it up through the middle, oops, and hook it on like that so you can pull it off. And now you just pull it off. And you can use your fingers if you have to, otherwise you can just go like this. And you can see how it looks. And right there you go. You have it finished. But this isn't long enough. So you have to make an extension, and I'll show you how to do that. To make an extension, I'll do the color yellow. It's really simple. All you do is you just make a straight line. Oops. I'll use about 3, depends on the wrist. You can add as needed. So you just take this, and then you take the end of your bracelet, and you can hook it on like that. And then you just take it and go like that. You can stretch it over, add your C-clip, and there's your extension. And you can either hook this to the other end, or you can make another extension on the other side. I do it to both sides evenly. I just like how it looks better, but it's completely up to you. Thank you for watching, and I will make more soon.